He collects Spider-Man and Conan the Barbarian comics. He was known as Obama for his skill in high school basketball. His name means one who is blessed in Swahili. His favorite meal is his wife Michelle shrimp linguine. He won a Grammy in 2006 for the audio version of his memoir, Dreams of My Father. He hates the youth trend for wearing their pants that sag beneath their backside. He uses an Apple MacBook laptop. He plans to install a basketball court on the grounds of the White House. Can bench press an impressive 200 pounds. His favorite book is Moby Dick. He has read every Harry Potter book. He would have liked to have been an architect if he was not a politician. Doesn't drink coffee and rarely drinks alcohol. He is left-handed. The 6th post-war president to be left-handed. Owns a set of red boxing gloves signed by Muhammad Ali. While on campaign, he refused to watch CNN and put on sport channels instead. His favorite films are One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest and Casablanca. His desk in the Senate office once belonged to Robert Kennedy. He had a pet ape that he called Tata while he was in Indonesia. Enjoys playing Scrabble and poker. As a teenager, he took drugs including marijuana and cocaine. His favorite artist is Pablo Picasso. His specialty as a cook is chili. He is the first African American president and our new president of the United States of America.